Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan from Rover. Thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing new video on my channel. Guys, today once again a very exciting video that I'm going to make for you guys, because guys, today I will be specifically talking about the price action of Cardano, and I do think that the price action of Cardano is looking very interesting right now, because for my prediction, what I will be currently looking at is that we are probably going to see a $4 Cardano in the coming weeks, coming months here, and I will be also explaining my reasons behind it, why I do think that we're going to see this. So guys, if you feel interested about this topic, make sure to right away smash up that like button, make sure to smash up the subscribe button as well, and if you haven't already, make sure to also follow me on Instagram at CryptoRoverYT. Would be of course very amazing if you're doing so. But guys, let me go right away into the price section of Cardano, because guys, currently what we are seeing over here is that we are of course having a breakout of the ascending triangle here, and of course that is already a thing that we were seeing earlier on. But we are still creating the follow through to the upside. So as you can see over here, is that we are seeing today a very beautiful daily candle. But still, if we are looking for the price target, guys, we're still going to see another increase of an approximately 12% from the point that we're currently trading on, and that will be bringing us towards the $2. So that is already the first very exciting part about it, and that is also my reason why I do expect, first of all, for the coming 2 or 3 days here, maybe already today we can be reaching it, that we are going to see the $2 getting reached here. Of course, it will be providing a lot of resistance because it's also very psychological resistance, the $2. But in the end of the day, guys, once we're really going to crush through that level, I definitely think we can be going for the next leg. And my explanation to think that we are also going to see another leg to the upside getting created is of course all laying behind in this ADA compared to Ethereum valuation. It's a very important valuation, and we also tend to see waves getting created on the ADA compared to Ethereum chart. So you can see as well here in the front of the past, wave to the upside, wave to the downside, wave to the upside, wave to the downside. And what do you want to be doing? You want to be buying the lows. So I mean, what we can currently identify from this wave to the downside here on the ADA compared to Ethereum chart, guys, is of course very exciting, because yes, we are still in this falling wedge, and currently we are trying to break the top side of resistance. And of course, this resistance line has been providing us already so much resistance in the past days, guys, and we are definitely willing to see this breakout anytime soon here. So yes, I do truly anticipate that we're going to see a breakout to the upside, and I still will be waiting till we're going to see it. But guys, it looks to be that we're trying to once again have a retest of this level, and guys, you know it. The more times we are retesting a third level of resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to break it. So you see the first touch point, second, third, fourth, fifth as well here. Right now we are retesting it for the 6th time, so of course it's very important to see the breakout anytime soon here. And you know, once we're going to see the breakout, this will be pushing up the the ADA compared to Ethereum price towards 0.1% of an Ethereum. And of course, you know how much worth Ethereum is currently. It is currently sitting around, let me quickly check it, guys. ADA is currently trading around $3,832. And of course, maybe be different once I'm uploading the video. I mean, I'm uploading the video exactly in 1 hour, so maybe we're going to see a lot of volatility. But this will be, of course, telling us that the ADA price will be going towards the $3.82 here if we compare it to Ethereum. And of course, if we are looking for the potential breakout target that we are heading towards. And I definitely anticipate that we're going to go towards this level, because yes, guys, a falling wedge is a very important pattern. What is, of course, also very bullish bias pattern. And of course, like I told you before, ADA compared to Ethereum, it always is going in swings. So sometimes there's a period in what goes well for ADA, sometimes it's a period that goes well for Ethereum. So yeah, the momentum is also always shifting between them, and right now it looks like, yeah, of course, the Ethereum momentum is already been here. And if I give you exactly the date as well here, the momentum for Ethereum has already been here for the last approximately 69 days here, compared to ADA then, I mean, I'm currently talking compared to ADA. And I definitely think, of course, because you're willing to buy these waves, because it always happens in waves, you definitely want to be going into ADA currently, because it looks to be, first of all, of course, you're buying into a bullish bias pattern. Second of all, you're buying near a breakout of the apex. And of course, guys, probably once we're seeing the breakout, we're going to see insane volatility getting created. Of course, like I told you before, don't expect that we're going to see this price start getting reached in just a matter of a few days. It can be taking approximately a period here, but yes, definitely I'm currently hugely exposed to ADA, and I feel very excited about it. And that's also my reason why I will be saying it will be approximately going towards $4. Of course, $3.80, $4 is definitely a target that I should be looking forward to in, of course, the coming next 60 days here. So definitely make sure to keep your eyes out on it. And of course, I was willing to make this quick update video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick update video. Hopefully you want to be smashing up the like button, because if you're doing so right now, you are of course an absolute legend. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Tomorrow I will be back with another stream here on the channel, so you can be checking the channel, of course, and make sure to hit the bell notification, because then you're not missing out of these amazing videos. So guys, thank you so much for joining us on this new video here on the channel, and peace out. Goodbye.